Hi Lisa, so just a quick video to talk through how we set this up. So we actually had the survey completely set up. We have our math operation in the survey flow. The reason I had to move this is because what was happening is if we click into the survey flow, because it follows this pattern straight down, the embedded data were actually being calculated after the question we were trying to pipe them into. So there was nothing to pipe in at this stage, so that's why nothing was pulling through. So as soon as these were moved up, it's working fine. So just click Save Flow. The rest of it is all done out with our correct things piped in. I have this changed to say overall average and the names along the left-hand side, which is perfect. So then if we go into reports and go to printed reports and create new report, I'm going to call this one Curie Test and create. Okay, so for now I'm just going to leave with a table, and all I'm really interested in is the first two questions, not interested in the rest. And generate report. Okay, so once we're in here, oh, it actually looks like we're being pulled into reporting 2.0 for some reason, so apologies for that. I'm going to go to report options, go back to user original reporting. I'm not sure why we're in reporting 2.0, but let's go back out of there. Back to my reports. And I'm going to generate a new report and Curie test 1 and create. Okay, and the same thing again. Just select none, none, none. There. Okay, so now we have just our first question. We're only interested here. I'm going to right click and go to table options. I'm going to remove all the columns we're not actually interested in, which is response and average value. Not interested in either of those. I'm also going to remove this number one because again, that's not really useful. So hide columns, this one. And then last thing is I'm going to change the data format to mean to pull in the means. So now I have all the means in here. Now what we need to do is add another column onto here. So if I right click, this is the data sources. This is the questions we're currently pulling from. So I'm just going to add a new data source, and I'm going to change question 5 to be my second one, which is overall average of question 8. And again, I'm going to use all choices. So that's going to pull in like this. So I'm just going to right click again, go to table options, and I'm going to hide the columns or the the columns that I'm not interested in, the overall average one now. So again, I'm not interested in that, and I'm not interested in response or average value. So this will just pull in these. And the last thing that I did in my other one was actually remove the question and click to write scale point 1. So again, I just right clicked on the table, go to table options, and then hide rows for overall average, and this is the header, not the primary header. So now you'll see I have kind of a nice clean kind of report and table. So like I say, the only thing about it is the fact that it is actually underneath. Unfortunately, we can't add it on as an additional column, but hopefully we will have that in the new platform soon, so we'll be able to do this soon in the new platform. But I hope this works for you for now. Obviously, as you add the additional people, then they'll just be added in here as well. So please let me know if you have any questions on this. I know probably that's okay for now, but once you actually go to set up the survey for real, you might have some questions, so just let me know.